Ryan Little.
Alright, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I just grabbed this wig out of my little basket of wigs and just decided to use it. About to be testing a new product today, this new GOT2B spray. I'm just showing that basically I clean my scalp with that alcohol from, you know, wherever the lace is gonna lay. And right here, I'm just trying to figure out, you know, exactly where my lace is gonna lay and exactly where to put on my forehead. Why does my face look like that? Oh gosh. But alright, so I figured out a placement and I just went ahead and sprayed the GOT2B spray directly on the lace. I mean, I already knew this lace was clean prior. Like I just cleaned this wig and then just threw it in my basket of wigs. Not even a basket, it's a bag. But yeah, I put the spray directly on the lace. I did it mostly over here, but you're about to see me like change locations in my room, and then I'm gonna spray the lace again. Well, pretty much just like the ends where I saw fit to spray it. As you can see right here, I'm just spraying the ends again. And now I'm following up with the blow dryer just so the lace can dry. Well, I guess the lace can melt into my skin. So yeah, and I'm drying this on cool. But okay, so y'all, this new GOT2B spray is supposed to be, I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be like flake free and residue free and something else free. But I can see that it smells really good. I really was just like trying to test new products that I got. I like to test new products on myself before using them on my clients. So yeah, basically I'm just, like I said, blow drying it and having the lace melt into my scalp. And I'm using the end of this rattle comb just to press the lace down a bit more. And you see me kind of combing through the hair, just like basically combing out all the hairs that kind of got stiff from me spraying the GOT2B spray on it. Little tug test. So I went back in with some more freeze spray because after I, you know, did that little tug test on my head, I felt like things weren't as secure as I wanted them to be. So I went in with, I sprayed more freeze spray on my lace, and this is just me blow drying it again to dry it. So it's pretty much on at this point. It's still kind of wet. So right here, I'm just combing out my baby hairs, basically, basically the hairs that, you know, got stuck with the freeze spray, which are my baby hairs. So yeah, and just combing my hair out in general. So this is what things were looking like. Not that bad. This off of Amazon. Amazon to go. Basically just showing y'all all the products that I pretty much use. There go my flat iron. So my ring light recently broke, and let me show y'all what I've been thugging with. Alright, so I'm going in with the Care foaming lotion. I actually really like this. And I said previously in another video that I was looking for a clear foaming lotion because Nairobi tends to leave like a blue cast on blonde hair, and this is perfect. Like, I really like this. I said that this is supposed to be like flake free, you know, residue free, I'm over here like, what's going on? But I just went ahead and wiped any type of flakes, not even flakes for real, because it really was on my skin, but I wiped it down with alcohol. And again, I'm going in with the Care, a foaming lotion to start forming my baby hairs. Alright, so after foaming my baby hairs, I'm going back in with the GOT2B spray and just basically setting my baby hairs so that they don't move. And now I'm just drying them with the blow dryer, setting everything in place. Like, y'all, I want y'all to see like how I'm blow drying and combing the hair out, and it's like, it's literally just setting just like that. Like, I'm pretty sure that's because of the Care foaming lotion. Like, it literally gives the effect of a hot comb, and for me, Nairobi doesn't do that, so I'm very happy with this product. Right here, I'm just going in and plucking any type of stray hairs. I had a couple. I just like to do this so everything looks more neat. And now I'm just cleaning up any type of, I guess, residue on my forehead with some alcohol. I don't really call this residue. I mean, I don't know. I'm not going to say that this product doesn't do what it's supposed to do, because it definitely does. I didn't have any type of residue on my actual hair, on the actual lace, on the baby hairs. It was just like the parts that were on my skin. Yeah, now I'm just going in with my flat iron. I mean, I didn't really care much to get this hair like bone straight. I'm not going nowhere. I'm literally doing my hair to stay in the house. So yeah, I'm just doing the chase method with this brush. Yeah, I mean, as crazy as this hair was looking in the beginning, like it honestly flat ironed very easily. Very easy. I don't know what's up with this hair. It's like the hair itself is fine, like the tracks, but the hair in the front, I don't know. It has a mind of its own. And I don't think I mentioned, this is just a regular 4x4 closure. I honestly don't even remember where I got this hair from. This is an old wig. I really like how the layers look on this wig. Like, it makes it look a lot more natural, and just like the texture of this wig in general looks natural. But yeah, I'm basically done now. You're gonna see me go in with some Garnier Fruity Sleek and Shine oil just to give my hair some sleek and shine, I guess. But yeah. And this is a quick little Glueless install. I mean, I used to do my hair like this, like right before going to class. And it's quick and easy, so, you know, there's a convenience in that. But alright, I'm all done at this point. As always, thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and watch it for my next video.
Slayed by Kim B Wigs.